One News at 5:30. We're on it.
And many of us have diseases and need the kind of care that you can only get through UCHealth. So their decisions are putting our lives at risk.
Well, today is the deadline for Colorado residents to sign up for health insurance for 2021. But a contract dispute between UCHealth and Anthem Insurance means many patients are about to lose their doctors. Well, the middle of a pandemic is not when you want to lose your doctor.
Yeah, but that's reality for some of the most vulnerable people in Colorado who can only get their insurance through the state exchange known as Connect for Health Colorado. Fox 31 Problem Solvers investigative reporter Rob Lowe with why so many in Denver can no longer see UCHealth doctors.
UCHealth lost its contract with Anthem, the giant insurance carrier switching its in-network plan for individuals in Metro Denver to Health One hospitals and doctors. The good news is premiums are going lower. The bad news is folks are going to have to switch doctors if they want to stay in network.
I can't go without seeing an oncologist. I've only been in remission a couple years.
Laura Packard was diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma cancer in 2017. She moved from Nevada to Colorado for one reason: the state's health insurance exchange that provides affordable options to individuals who otherwise cannot get coverage.
As a cancer survivor, no insurance company would ever cover me if they didn't have to.
It was doctors at UCHealth who put Laura on a course of treatment that put her cancer into remission a year later.
They know you and what you've been through. And I think if you look at national rankings, it's pretty clear where people fall. UCHealth has expertise that nobody else offers.
So Laura was devastated to learn her insurance carrier, Anthem, and UCHealth could not reach an agreement for 2021 in Metro Denver.
If I lived just a few miles north in Boulder, I could keep my doctors, but Anthem is refusing to offer that for people here.
The problem solvers have learned Anthem still uses UCHealth everywhere else in Colorado, but not in the biggest market, Metro Denver.
We can't dictate who they contract with, only that they have an adequate network.
Vincent Plymell is an assistant commissioner for the Colorado Department of Insurance. He says Anthem met state requirements when it switched its contract from UCHealth to Health One hospitals.
They were able to bring the premiums down in the Denver area by over 20%. And the majority of that was due to the negotiated rates they had with Health One.
They claimed that there would be some sort of great savings, but what good is it for people like me if we save a few dollars a month in premiums and then have to pay all that to see our doctors out of pocket?
The problem solvers have heard from several patients like Laura Packard who do not want to switch to Health One but cannot afford the out-of-network fees UCHealth would now require.
If my cancer recurs and I need the kind of treatment that I can only get at UCHealth, that is hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I could die without that treatment.
So the deadline to apply for health coverage in 2021 strikes at midnight tonight. Laura Packard says she's going to have to switch to Health One, but she's terrified not only of losing her oncologist, but her cardiologist who monitors her heart. The radiation and chemotherapy she's been through can have long-term effects on the heart. Rob Lowe, Fox 31.